Well, today we're going to be decorating Christmas ham. And eating ham is famous in the Caribbean and worldwide. So I'm going to show you how to decorate it, a glazed Christmas ham.
Alright, so I just take the ham out of the oven and I'm going to put in allspice to give it that nice. Alright, so I just bake it a bit and now I'm going to put in the allspice, cloves. If you live in Jamaica, you know what allspice, cloves is all about. And here is the ham. Alright, so skin not good for you, so I'm going to peel off the skin now. It's not healthy, so I'm peeling off the skin. So that's what you'll see happening now. My assistant is helping me while I fat not good for you, that's why we cut off the fat, the skin right now. So I have to perfect it and go around the edges a bit. Part of the design. Cut off a little bit more of the skin, to make it perfect. So cutting the groove, making a design using a sharp knife, not too sharp, and the fork to keep it steady. Take a little bit of the cloves now in your hand, and then you're going to push it in to the grooves, right where it meets up, right in the grooves. It's quite easy. This is one of my students learning how to do it. Just give it a nice little taste. It just blend right in. So we're just going to go around the entire ham. So we're going right around until it's fully covered. When it's finished, you get the real effect of it. All right, so now we're going to put on the secret sauce. Applying the sauce, so I want it to go down in the grooves. So now we put it back in the oven for the final set of baking. So now we have the finished product. This is how it's glazed and clear. Very nice. The cloves nicely laid out and looking good.